In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of the Creative Cloud desktop application. Now, whether you're switching accounts or simply ensuring that your credentials are secure, logging out is a straightforward process that anyone can master in just a few easy steps. First, let's locate the Creative Cloud desktop application on your computer. You probably have it pinned to your taskbar or saved as a shortcut on your desktop, but if not, you can always access it through your Applications or Programs menu. Once you've opened the application, take a look at the top right corner of the window. You're searching for your profile icon, which typically appears as a circle. This circle might display your avatar, perhaps an image you've uploaded, or, if you haven't customized it, you might see your initials instead. Spotting that? Great! Now go ahead and click on the profile icon. As you do so, a drop-down menu will appear. In this list of options, you'll find the Sign Out button. Clicking this will initiate the sign-out process. It's important to be aware that when you choose to sign out, you might see a confirmation dialog pop up. This dialog serves to remind you that once you're signed out, your Creative Cloud applications will be disabled until you log back in. This is a good point to pause and ensure you're ready to proceed, especially if you are mid-project or need any of the apps right away. If you're sure you want to continue, click on Continue or OK in the dialog box, and just like that, you're officially signed out. However, before you close the Creative Cloud application, it's a good idea to close it properly, making sure all parts of the software are no longer running in the background. To take it a step further, you might even consider restarting your computer. While not a necessary step, rebooting your system can help clear out any residual cached credentials. This is particularly helpful to ensure that everything is fresh and there's no leftover data that might interfere with future sign-ins. And there you have it. You've successfully signed out of Creative Cloud. This method ensures that your Creative Cloud account is securely logged out, giving you the flexibility to switch accounts if needed or simply prepare your device for the next login session. Remember, keeping your account secure is always a priority, and signing out of applications like these can be a part of maintaining that security. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share, or subscribe for more tips and guides on managing your digital tools effectively. See you in the next video.